Sometimes when you feel stuck in your mind or with something, if you sit in nature, there's always this gentle movement and alive flow. How the wind now are moving through the leaves and trees, the singing of the birds, the pulsation of the earth, the growth of springtime. There is movement also in a tempo that we don't always recognize, but it's like a heartbeat that goes through everything. And it brings you back to breathe, to feel your heartbeat. And to feel surrounded by movement and aliveness.